For more, let's go to Budapest now and talk to reporter Florence La Bruyère, who joins me now. Florence, first of all, why has Viktor Orban's government given this vaccine the green light ahead of EU authorization?
Well, the Prime Minister has spoken many times about the slow delivery of the Pfizer vaccine. He said it's very frustrating. And he said the only way to meet demand for vaccination is by buying from Russia and China. And he's actually allowed to, because in case of a pandemic, according to an EU directive, member states are allowed to license products without the green light of European regulators if it is on a temporary basis. And that's what the Hungarian authorities have done. They have given the green light for 6 months only to the Russian vaccine, and that can be renewed. That being said, there is a political angle to it, because Viktor Orban has been praising the Russian vaccine since last October, without even knowing, if the trials would be completed. He's repeatedly said that this is a good vaccine, and there's also an economic angle to it. It's been shown by Hungarian press reports that some companies close to the government have bought medical equipment from China at a price which is 3 times higher than market price. So there are definitely advantages to sign deals with Russia or China, because these deals are not supervised really by the European Union.
And how's the news of this vaccine rollout being greeted in Hungary? Are people worried about this vaccine?
Well, in Budapest, views are mixed about vaccination in general, although a majority of Hungarians now says they want to be vaccinated. But there are particularly strong feelings here about the prospect of non-EU vaccines being rolled out. Only 7% of Hungarians would accept the Russian jab, and 4% only would take the Chinese vaccine. Quite a lot of Hungarians I've spoken to do not trust the Hungarian government. They said they don't trust the health public system either, and they would rather be vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine, which is an American-German product, and Hungarians tend to trust anything that comes from America or from Germany. I even spoke to a woman who said she wanted to register with a medical private center because she wants to be sure that the vaccine she will be given will be the Pfizer one. Now, this morning on public radio, Prime Minister Viktor Orban said that Hungarians could choose the vaccine they want to be vaccinated with. Some people fear that in old people's homes or in psychiatric hospitals or in prisons, perhaps residents will not be able to choose.
All right, Florence La Bruyère, thank you very much indeed for sharing your reporting on the rollout of the Russian Sputnik vaccine in Hungary. Now, borders